thing you see in this picture that my wife sent me of my daughter? I'll give you a second. Take a look. You tell me in the comments. What do you see? Some of you are going to say table hockey. My daughter's going to hope that many of you will say a little girl who's fit is slay, but many of you are going to say a scared, unhappy face right here at the bottom of the table. This propensity to see faces anywhere we look has a name, and it's called pareidolia. Just about every human being has this, and even some of our monkey cousins do as well. Scientists believe the ability to see faces and emotions very quickly was evolutionarily beneficial to us, so our brains are primed to do it all the time, and thus pareidolia, mistakes that we make seeing faces when there aren't any. Some famous examples are the face on Mars, the man on the moon, and every power plug in the world. Look how scared that little guy is. Here's the thing, according to David Elias, a guy who studies pareidolia at the University of Sydney, when we're looking at these faces, the parts of our brain that actually recognize faces in other humans are activated, meaning that to us, these are real faces even as we're sure that they're not. Human beings are built to recognize patterns even when there aren't any there, which is why sometimes we see faces and also sometimes we believe what we see on Facebook. So just remember, the next time you see Jesus on a piece of toast, it doesn't mean that God is sending you a sign. It just means your toaster burns in a certain way that makes you think it looks like Jesus, and it's A-okay to slap some butter on that thing and eat it up.